In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix taskbar icons showing blank white icons in Windows 11. We all know how frustrating it can be when the icons on your taskbar suddenly turn blank, disrupting your workflow and making it hard to quickly access your favorite applications. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a couple of methods to tackle this issue efficiently. First, we're going to restart Windows Explorer. This quick fix can resolve many display-related glitches. To get started, you'll need to open the Task Manager by pressing the keys Ctrl, Shift, and ES key simultaneously. This shortcut will bring up the Task Manager window. Once there, look for Windows Explorer in the list of running processes. When you find it, right-click on it and select Restart. This simple action can often refresh your system's interface and bring your icons back to their normal appearance. After doing this, take a moment to check if your taskbar icons have returned to their rightful look. If they have, great. You've successfully resolved the problem. However, if they haven't, don't worry. We have another solution to try. The next step involves rebuilding the icon cache, which can be very effective when the first method doesn't work. We'll need to dive a bit deeper into the system for this method, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it may sound. Start by opening the command prompt with administrative privileges. You can usually find command prompt in the start menu, or by searching for it using the search bar. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to get started. Now it's time to run a series of commands that will help in rebuilding the cache. Enter each command one at a time. Start with taskkill/f imexplorer.exe. This command stops the Explorer process, allowing us to delete the cache files without any interruptions. Next, type in %localappdata%+iconcache.db to remove the current icon cache database. Follow that with %localappdata%b Microsoft/Windows Explorer icon cache, which ensures any remaining icon cache files are also deleted. Finally, you'll want to restart Explorer with the command startexplorer.exe. After executing these commands, it's crucial to restart your PC. This reboot rounds off the process by ensuring all the changes take effect properly. Once your computer is back up and running, check to see if your taskbar icons are displaying correctly. These solutions should help restore your taskbar icons back to normal. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your system updated to prevent these issues from occurring, and regularly clearing cache files can enhance your computer's performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps were helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Until next time.